In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zendesk signature in a few simple steps. Whether you're freshening up your brand image or simply updating your contact details, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive into it. First things first, we need to navigate our way to the right spot. Start by heading over to the Admin Center. You'll want to go to the Agent Tools section, followed by the Agent Interface. Alternatively, depending on your account setup, you might find yourself going through the Administration section, then clicking on Settings, and finally reaching the Agents area. Don't worry, once you're in the right place, the rest is a breeze. Next, you'll see a signature text box. This is where you'll either add a completely new signature or update the existing one. When crafting your signature, consider what information is most essential. Is it just your name and role, or do you need your phone number and email address included as well? To make things efficient, take advantage of the available placeholders. You can use options like /agent.signature, /agent.email, or even /currentuser.phone. These placeholders automatically pull in the correct information for each agent, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Plus, if your organization has specific branding requirements, incorporate brand-specific images to maintain a consistent and professional appearance across communications. If you're working within a branded environment, particularly if you're on the Enterprise or Suite Growth Plus plan, you have the flexibility to set up unique signatures for each brand you manage. To do this, you'll navigate to the Brand Management section. From there, it's as simple as going into Brands, selecting Edit, and updating the branded signature area. This way, each brand can maintain its distinct identity while ensuring all communication adheres to your standards. Once you're satisfied with your updates or new signature, it's crucial to ensure these changes are applied across your account. Simply click Save, and your new signature will be live and ready to go. This step is essential because it confirms that every future interaction from your team reflects the updates you've just made. And there you have it. Changing your Zendesk signature is a quick yet impactful way to enhance your communication presence. Remember, keeping your signature up to date not only ensures clarity in your communication, but also strengthens your brand consistency and professionalism. Thanks for tuning in, and now you're ready to make your mark with an updated Zendesk signature.